Under Forms ribbon, different types of forms under a job can be generated based on estimation data from worksheet. On the left panel, forms of each type are organized under one of type folders: quotation, work order, purchase order, and invoice. To create a new order form, click on Add icon on the left and select one of types, for example, quotation. A wizard window pops up as step 1 to collect customer information and job information. If this information was set before, it shows under customer and job site areas. If not, it can be set from this step now. Click on Select from Database pull-down list and select a customer from this list. Customer data is then populated into Customer area. Edit this area directly, as needed, as it will show in the final print form. If job site address is the same as customer address, click on Copy from Customer button, or type it in if different. It is a good practice to set job site address under Project Info tab, as once it is set, it can be used repeatedly. Check on Show Heading Info in Form if there is a need to print secondary heading information in the order form, and enter the information. Click on Next button. Use this window to set up sales items on the form, control profit margin, review total sales amount, and configure form format as to what to show and not to show on final quotation form. Estimation data are automatically loaded here from worksheet when creating a new form. Extra items can also be added into this form by using Add New button from scratch, using From DB button to add from product database. To edit detail information about an item, select the item and click Edit icon, or right-click, select Edit item. So more data fields such as cost price and box prices are editable. This item table columns can be configured by clicking Columns icon, which controls what columns are to be displayed in this table. That is also what is printed on the final form. At lower section, a control panel contains options to control item grouping, container pricing, to round up item quantity, to set tax rate, and to review and set profitability. Check on Show Price Markup box. It opens the options that show current price markup and profit margin level, and also gross profit amount. To adjust price markup or profit margin, select from the pull-down list. Select a percentage from the list, or simply type in a number. Please note the pricing concepts. Markup means percentage added to the base cost price, whereas profit margin means percentage of gross profit and sales price. When selecting a number, the program applies it to all items in this table, and all summary numbers on the right panel are adjusted accordingly. At the right section, it contains summary data about the quotation, such as breakdowns of material, labor, add-on, subtotal, tax, discount, and total amount. The checkboxes on the left control if these fields are printed on the final form printout. Total amount may be adjusted manually by entering a number. The program then automatically calculates the correct amount of discount to match that total sales amount. In another scenario, if one enters a discount amount, total amount will be adjusted accordingly as well. Either way, the profit margin and markup percentages reflect the changes. One may put in a deposit amount as well, so the balance is calculated accordingly, and both are printed on the final form. Click on Next button. It moves to enter any instruction or comment for the job, and also to review pre-specified terms and conditions. Both are to be printed on the final form. Instructions can be typed in, or for frequently used ones, select from Comment pull-down list. Select Manage Comment List at the bottom to create or edit a piece of instruction. This comment list is shared with the comment list used in diagram window. For terms and conditions, this area is automatically populated with the content preset in System Settings, under Order Forms. Just use it as is or directly edit the content area. Click on Finish button to view the completed form. To reopen the form for editing, click on one of first three icons, Basic Info, Item Setting, or Instruction, to pop Wizard Form again for modification. Click on Form Settings icon to pop up Order Form Settings tab in System Setting, to review and configure related parameters. If customer signature needs to be captured with this form, click on Sign icon. Print name is auto-filled if it was entered in Project Info. A stylus pen can be used to sign in the blank area in the pop-up window. Click on OK. The signature is shown in the preview and will be there in the printout. Quotation forms can be printed, exported as an Excel file, exported into QuickBooks, or converted into an invoice form. Refer to Advanced section for exporting to QuickBooks.